Hello YouTube, another little update. Been working on this rat rod. Yeah, built me a battery tray. It looks like the battery's gonna have to go up inside on this decking. Well, with it being able to drop by airbags, there was nowhere I could ever get it underneath the car. So I decided it'll look good up there and I'll build a nice box. And I think my fuel tank will go on the other side. Anyway, the biggest project today has been, and I'm going to let you know, this is what I do to stay busy. I'd rather be catfishing, taking somebody striper fishing, but if I ain't doing that, I'd rather be doing this. So just to let you know, oh yeah, my good friend owns this company, gave me this hat. Christopher Fault, thank you. And I wear it because it's a cool hat. Anyway, let me show you what I've been doing. Let me turn this thing around. All right, Wilwood sent me some 2 or 3 different kind of mount ups for brake and clutch, and I don't know whether y'all can see it good enough, but anyway, I have to give thanks to them for, oops, sorry about the hand, helping me out in this situation. But Clayton had put a big heavy pipe across here, I guess support strength for the firewall. I went ahead and cut it out, and I went and bought me a big heavy duty flat steel, and I'm gonna weld it and bolt it in, and I'll brace it up to where he put that metal in the firewall. That's where he had to cut out for the distributor. Anyway, this thing holds 3 different cylinders, and only one came in, this one. Maybe another one just like it here. And then I'll have to modify this for the clutch, because the clutch is ended up being, I'm gonna have to run the one for this GMC transmission, because there's nothing I could find that would work with the hydraulic slave system on this thing other than the factory stuff. So I'll have to make some modifications over here for that clutch, but I think it'll be easy enough because factory stuff don't sit straight up and down. I'll just make some brackets, bolt it up. All right, well, just giving you an update today, and I will upload this later on. Please, if you are any kind of a hot rodder, hit that subscribe button. I'll keep showing you what I've been up to and what I've been doing, and we'll see this thing run here maybe in a week or 2. The biggest thing, I guess, is waiting on parts. I order a lot from Amazon, of course. I've never got any thank you from them, but anyway, it is easy to return stuff when it's wrong, and that's why I do it. So just to let you know, just stay with me, and I'll keep you posted as much as I can. Like I said, this is my hobby, my spare time, and I love building cars. Anyway, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, let's talk. All right.